All right, guys, so in this video, I want to break down exactly what marketing means for manufacturing and one powerful way that you can get started. So before we dive into all the different ways of marketing your company, we need to establish one thing: why? So as we all know, from 10 years ago to now, a lot has changed. The world's getting more and more digital. More and more people are coming online, plus more ways than ever to get around it. So therefore, being more ways to find your competition, which you don't want. So if you're brand new to this space and know you need to start marketing, but you don't know where to start, you're in the right place. So as you're undoubtedly aware, there are many different strategies out there for marketing. You could create a bunch of blog posts, have an email newsletter, build out some search engine optimization, the list goes on. Well, relax, because we're only going to dive in and talk about one of them, the PPC, specifically Google search. Now, what is PPC? Proud puppy chow? No, it stands for pay-per-click. Briefly put, it's a way to advertise your company and where you only pay for the advertisement each time someone clicks on it. For example, if you're a manufacturer who makes water bottles and you want to show your ad if someone Googled water bottle manufacturer, this is what a search ad looks like on Google. The reason this is effective is you can quickly and easily find potential new customers already looking for products and services that you offer. You can create a campaign and immediately take potential buyers straight to your website without even trying to build traffic organically. Another huge benefit is the simple design of the ads themselves. You don't need to worry about images or videos, thus making this much easier to use as a marketing strategy. So as nice as all this is, there are some things that you should pay attention to. Competition. Let's use my water bottle manufacturing company as an example. So let's say I want to have my company market for the keyword water bottle. In my mind, I'm thinking there's probably a ton of traffic with that keyword, so I'll get a lot of business and it'll be great. But the reality is that water bottle is also a great term for Yeti, Hydro Flask, even Camelback. Plus, they're all e-commerce brands who attract retail consumers, so they're not your customers. So this keyword will not only be expensive, but it'll also be useless in your marketing efforts. Data. As with all digital marketing, you need a lot of data to make informed decisions. No, this doesn't mean you shouldn't start with. It's just something to keep in mind. So let's say you create multiple variations of ads to test the ad copy. How do you know the winner? Well, the one with the most clicks, duh. Why that can be true, you also need to wait until you have what's called statistical significance. Statistical significance is when you've had enough traffic and enough time that you can make an accurate determination of whether or not that ad was worthwhile. So here's a tip to make this a bit easier for you. So by default, Google's setting is set to optimize. You want to change this to do not optimize. This makes it to where Google can't just change any of the ads prematurely. Just make sure to check back in around 90 days. That should have given Google enough data to actually be able to optimize at that point. Keywords. If you Google what keywords are, they are words or phrases used to match your ads with the terms people are searching for. So on a basic level, they're what people type into the search bar. A good rule of thumb is the less words, the more expensive in general it is. That's why when I search for water bottle versus water bottle manufacturer, that extra word makes a world of difference in search results. So when you're first starting out, skip general high volume keywords and focus solely on the mid and long tail keywords. You want to be as specific and targeted as possible here. So for example, water bottle manufacturer, I'd want to use keywords like stainless steel water bottle manufacturer or injection molding bottle manufacturer. These words are referred to as modifiers. Think materials, synonyms, processes, equipment types, or even capacity, just to give some ideas. Remember to think about all this from the perspective of your customer. So here's a bit of insight on how do people use search engines. So let's search for water bottle manufacturer. Okay, I didn't find. It's not unheard of that industrial companies new to